Hello everyone, Drynet Dave here again. Apologies for the noise in the background. There's a man on a sit on top lawnmower. He came out deliberately, I think, today to help with the filming. Anyway, as you can see behind me, I found a little patch of river. I'm actually back at Hoe Mill Lock again. Not been able to get into my usual parking space because it's occupied, so I'm kind of winging it a little bit at the moment. I've kind of got the kayak out, so just got a few bits and pieces to get sorted out, and then I'm going to get dropped in and hopefully get some fish for you. So we're about ready to go, and normally, because it's not that deep here usually, and it's alright, I tend not to bother with my flotation vest, but because it is quite coloured and the river's up quite a bit today, just to err on the side of caution, I'm going to stick the vest on. Right, so literally from the bridge there, I'm coming round into here, and you can see already, wow, that's just thrown me right through. So that's quick coming out of there. So I'm going to have to turn around and try and get a run up, I think. Wasn't expecting that. That's proper whizzing through there. Take a run at it. Proper choppy. I really wasn't expecting it to be like this. Now to put this vest on. Come on. Dig in. Can't believe how quick it is. It's water. What's on? So there's lots of nice little spots here already that I can see. Be worth trotting the line through. Now, I said in the last video that I've done all the exploring I wanted to do, but there is actually one bit I haven't checked yet, which is this Hoe Mill pool. I believe it was a pool that was deliberately created to serve a mill that was on the site a long time ago, which obviously is no longer there. The water was through barreling down out of this bit, I have to say. So I'm going to try and get up a bit and just have a look and see. Oh my, we've got white water. So I tried in that little whirlpool up there, and currently it's just so strong it was actually dragging my anchor, so I actually couldn't stay put to trot a line through properly. So I've come a little bit further out, and this little stretch here, it is really going through quick here. I've got no idea whether anything is going to even be able to try and pick up on these baits, but I'll give it a go. Let's see what happens. That is seriously quick through there. I might have to move further out just to try and find a bit of still water, I don't know. It's crazy. It's so quick through here. I'll give it a few more runs and then we'll see. So I'm under the bridge because it seems to slow down a fair bit here, and I think I've got a nice little trot through past a couple of spots where I've actually seen fish jumping when I first got here, so I'm hoping there's at least something out there that might be prepared to have a go. So let's see. Right, I'm hoping the light's okay here, because that is my first fish of the day. I think that's another dace looking at it, but smaller than the last ones, but at least it's a fish. So it's getting back. Here we go, folks. Little dace. Right. At least didn't get eaten by a pike this time. I'm very nervous fishing now. See if I can find his big brother or his mum. That'd be good, wouldn't it? Another one. The hook's nearly as big as the fish. But hey, keep the feed going in. Maybe I can start them on a frenzy. That looks to be another little dace. So, my most popular species on this river at the moment, Mr. Dace. That looks like a size 10 hook. 4 maggots on there, 2 reds, 2 whites. I'm also going to nip a little bit of bread on there as well, just for effect. Only pinch a little bit. And oops, see what this brings. Well, they're still coming, people, this time. Keep still now. You're going to be famous on YouTube. Go. That looks more like a little roach to me, that one, rather than a dace. It's a little bit deeper in the body, so it's another one. Makes 3. Be out, call myself a professional soon. Carry on like this. That wasn't me. It's been very, very slow, but got another little tiny one. I've actually stuck my hook size down a bit, and generally really fiddly little bites, and I think it's because a lot of them are just around about that size. So I did the boat out, have a bit of a breather. Been fishing for probably nearly 3 hours, and I've had 4 fish, which I think were 3 dace and a roach. It's now 10 to 4. So I think after this what I might do is get the boat back in, go a little bit further downstream, maybe fish for another hour, and then call it a day. So red maggot definitely seems to be the winning bait when trying float. I've used cornbread, combinations of everything, but just red maggot on their own seems to be the favourite. So I think we'll stick with that for now. Anyway, I'm going to eat this, and then I'll hopefully have some more for you later. See you soon.